Machine learning models are increasingly being used for stock prediction. These models utilize historical stock data, market trends, and various other factors to make predictions about future stock prices. They can help investors make informed decisions and improve their trading strategies. Linear regression is a simple and easy-to-understand model that provides insight into the relationship between two variables. It is a widely used tool for predicting numerical values based on input variables. Decision trees are popular models that are easy to interpret and visualize, making them suitable for explaining the reasoning behind a prediction. A random forest model is an ensemble learning technique that combines multiple decision trees to make predictions. It is known for its high accuracy and ability to handle large datasets with high dimensionality. Support vector machine (SVM) model is effective in handling high-dimensional data and is versatile in classifying complex datasets. Neural network models have the ability to learn and adapt from data, making them suitable for complex and nonlinear tasks. When comparing the performance of different models in English language and respective script, it's important to consider factors such as accuracy, fluency, and naturalness. English language models may excel in understanding and generating English content, but can still face challenges with syntax and semantics in other languages. In conclusion, stock prediction is a complex process that involves the analysis of various factors such as historical data, market trends, and external influences. While no method can guarantee accurate predictions, the use of advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques can greatly improve the accuracy of predictions.